In this video, we are going to discuss about the topic control and coordination and nervous system. This video covers the basics of nervous system, neurons, parts of neurons and nerve impulse transmission. So let's get into the topic. When we are injured, we feel the sense of pain. Pain is the body's way of letting us know that something is not right. It can prevent further injuries or push us to seek medical attention. All of this is possible because humans can respond and react to stimuli due to control and coordination among the various organs and organ systems. Working together of various organ systems in a living organism is called coordination. In our body, the nervous system and endocrine system do the function of coordinating all the activities of the organs so that the body works properly. The nervous system. The nervous system is a specialized system in animals. It transmits messages in the form of electrical impulse and convey to our sense organs. For example, when we touch a hot object, it is a dangerous situation for us. So, we need to detect and respond to it. How do we detect that we are touching a hot object? All information from our surrounding is directed by a specialized cells called nerve cells or neurons. Our nervous system is made up of network of thread-like structures called neurons. Neurons are the basic structural and functional unit of nervous system. They transmit information throughout the body. Nervous system consists of central nervous system and peripheral nervous system. Central nervous system. It consists of the brain and spinal cord. Peripheral nervous system consists of nerves that connect central nervous system to every part of the body. Here you see the central nervous system consisting of the brain and spinal cord, and the peripheral nervous system is made up of nerves arising from the brain and the spinal cord. The nerves arising from the brain are called cranial nerves, and the nerves arising from the spinal cord is called spinal nerves. Now we go into more detail on the parts of neurons and how they help in nerve impulse transmission. Neurons consist of three major parts, namely cell body, otherwise called as soma, axon and dendrite. Parts of neurons. Cell body. The cell body contains the nucleus and cytoplasm. Here you see the central portion is the cell body, which contains the centrally placed nucleus surrounded by cytoplasm, and dendrites are the projections or branches arising from the cell body. They bring impulses into the neurons to the cell body. Axons. Axons are the long projections arising from the cell body that carries impulses away from the cell body. Synapses. Neurons are connected with each other. The space or junction between two neurons is called synapse. So, how neurons are connected? Through synapses. Because neurons never touch, chemical signalers called neurotransmitters must travel through the synapse between the two neurons. Here, one neuron and here is one neuron. The two neurons are connected by a junction or space called synapse. The impulse is carried by this neuron and it is transmitted to the second neuron through synapse. Nerve impulse. The conduction of stimuli by the nerve cells is called nerve impulse. Impulse transmission. The dendrites will receive the stimuli from the sense organ and conduct the stimuli as electrical impulse from the cell body to the axon. At the synapse, the synaptic knobs release of chemical substances called neurotransmitters which convert the electrical impulse into chemical impulse and pass it to the neighboring neuron. Here is the impulse in a neuron. The impulse is first transmitted from the dendrites to the cell body. From the cell body, the impulse is carried along the axon to the synaptic region. In the synaptic region, the synaptic knobs will release neurotransmitters, mostly acetylcholine. These acetylcholine or neurotransmitters is passed through the synapse region and to the transferred to the next neuron, and thus the nerve impulse is transmitted. I hope you understood the topic. So overall we have covered the basics of nervous system, structure of neuron and impulse transmission. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more video updates.